Do you consider visiting Boracay again in the near future? Why or why?
Definitely. Boracay. Sobrang timeless ng Boracay. Siguro sa some other na special moments din, syempre Boracay pa rin yung go-to natin.
Yes po, kasi dun po sa isang island na pinuntahan namin yesterday, meron po silang bagong renovate doon. Sa tingin ko po sa future po, gaganda po yun.
What is your estimated budget for your entire Boracay trip?
Siguro estimated budget namin for this, dalawa lang kasi kami, so parang 10 to 15K each for 3 days. 3 days, 2 nights.
So what is your estimated budget for your entire Boracay trip?
Bayad po ng ate ko yun.
Uy, sana all!
Boracay talagang babalik-balikan. Babalik-balikan mo siya. Kahit second time pa lang ako dito, parang ang dami pa rin pwedeng gawin.